What's up, cool kids? FD White. So my message today is short, simple, and sweet. There we go. It's short, simple, and sweet. I've been in this market since 2020. I've went through the crash of 2021 when we went from 64 down to 28K. I've been through the bear market. I went through the crash that happened at the beginning of the year. Coming back down, or the low period of 2024, mid 2024. So I've been in a lot of these periods when it comes to Bitcoin retracing, altcoins retracing, and things like that. And I slept like a baby yesterday. I'm down a whole lot, a whole lot, but I still slept like a baby because I know for a fact. Well, not a fact, a certainty, maybe a 98% chance or 98% certainty that the market will recover. So now the thing is, everybody's saying buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. How many times can you buy the dip? What I'm doing right now is I'm shifting my plan. So I put this on X, Twitter, whatever we call it these days. I'm going to start buying $500 to $1,000 worth of Bitcoin every week while Bitcoin is under 100,000. I'm just going to keep putting that, as much as I can. If I can't do 500 or 1,000, I'm going to do whatever I can every week, every 2 weeks, just pumping it back into Bitcoin because I know Bitcoin is going to recover eventually, which is the key word. And then we're going to continue to move forward past 100K, past 120, past 130. We really were aiming for something around 140 to 160 is what we were really aiming for. So we are going to prepare for that. When it comes to altcoins, I also said this on X. I'm going to start looking at the coins that have been showing strength. Number one, I'm going to start investing more into these American-made coins, these American-made crypto coins. There is a list. I'll post a list right here. You can go on CoinMarketCap. They'll have a whole category section based on these American-made cryptos. I'm going to start putting more allocation into those because those seem like those are the ones that are going to get the best foot forward from our current administration. Those are going to be the ones that possibly get better regulation. So I'm going to be going into those. Not too sure about how the AI market is going to go. I'm going to sit on my hands when it comes to the AI market. I do think AI is the future, of course. I don't know which coins or which subsector in the AI category is going to start to recover quicker or going to recover, and just in general, because a lot of these coins, I think we do need a purge. All this meme coin stuff, all these celebrities coming in, rugging, everything that's happening. I think we do need some sort of a purge. The purge that's happening now, I kind of welcome it. I hate people to lose money. I hate to lose money myself, but we need a cleanse. We always need some sort of cleanse in the space when it gets too frothy, when it gets to just the space loses its way. Basically losing its way, man. We're supposed to be trying to change the financial future. We're supposed to be building all these amazing apps or dApps and changing the world. That's what I came into crypto for. Of course I want to make money. Of course I want number to go up. But I'm also in crypto for the revolution. I'm also in crypto for the tech. A lot of people can't say that. I actually am. I actually want to start building things, building dApps, building on top of certain things. I have a great idea that I'm going to start doing. Now is a good time for me to start doing it while I can, 100% focus on what I need to focus on. But when it comes to price action, I know that's why most of you guys are here. Most of you guys and girls are here. The cool kids, we're just staying cool. This is why we call ourselves the cool kids. I keep reminding you this because we're not too emotional as the price goes up. We're not too emotional as the price goes down. We just survive. Just survive. That's the whole premise of this video. Just survive. I know a lot of people don't have money for dry powder or things like that. If you're a trader, we're waiting. We're sitting on our hands. Well, this is what I'm doing. I'm waiting for reclaims. We're down massively in these altcoins. So if we do start to get bounces or even dead cat bounces, then we can be profitable, very, very profitable in some of these bounces that potentially will come in. Even if a so-called bear market, which I don't think we're in, we'll talk about that in a second. You can get major bounces in a very, very massive downtrend. Also, I want to talk about a bear market before we get out of here. What constitutes a bear market? We don't have some sort of scriptural definition of what a bear market is. Is it 20% like the stock market? Of course, it's probably not that. 30, 40, 50. what price point or what price area would Bitcoin have to break in order for us to say, okay, now we're in a bear market. So that's something that I'm looking at. We do have levels coming in. We have the 200-day coming in at about 83, 84K. We also have a CME gap coming in between about 75 to 77K, maybe a little bit under there. And then we have the prior all-time high coming around 69 to 70K. Those are three areas that I'm really looking at intently. I want to hold. I really want to hold those three areas if we continue to come down. The stock market is looking like it's coming down. Looks like it wants to retrace a lot more. Just these tariff news is coming out. We all thought, well, we priced in all good news, 100% perfect news once Trump was elected on November 5th. And this hasn't played out to our liking or the way that everybody in the markets thought it was going to play out. So now the crypto market has to reprice. We thought QT was going to end and quantitative easing was going to come a little bit sooner than it has or than it should. It hasn't come. So we're still sitting and waiting around to see what's going to happen. And you know markets hate uncertainty. So it's not just crypto, it's also the stock market. But we know crypto just moves at a faster pace to the upside and to the downside historically. So what I'm doing right now, like I said, I'm relaxed. I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm collected. I hope, you guys are too. I'm down a lot. I did take some profits at the beginning of the year. We had some good trades coming into 2024, going into 2025. So not all was lost. But like I said, you always have regrets when it comes to these markets about taking profits and buying here or selling there. We can't change the past. So now we need to figure out what are we going to do in the future. So if we are in a typical or theoretical bear market, the bear market does not have a length of time. So the bear market could be 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 2 years. Like, we don't know what constitutes a bear market, and we don't know how long that bear market will last. Like, from 2021, the selling men go away, and then we came back at that, the end of September of that same year. That was like, what, 5-6 months? So that was technically a bear market when we went from 64K down to 28. So it just depends on a bear market. We could be a bear market in an overall bigger bull market, or we could just be in a longer term bear market, or we could just be in a bull market in a lull period. So we haven't broke down structure. We haven't broken our structure for Bitcoin. So I'm still kind of relaxed. I'm still taking it easy, but we are watching those levels coming in at, like I said, around 83, 84K. We did come down to 84, so that might have touched it a little bit, but we didn't quite get all the way down to that 200-day moving average. And then we do have that CME gap coming in the mid 70s. And of course we have that prior all-time high coming in from last cycle at 69. So those are the three levels that I'm looking at. Be okay, be patient, be cool. Let's figure out what the market is going to do. Don't let all these other YouTubers get your emotions riled up or anger or fear, or just do your own homework, do your own due diligence. Make sure you guys are staying healthy mentally, physically, and emotionally, and then we can transfer that to how we handle these charts, how we handle this whole space. So this is just my 2 cents, man. Just my truth when it comes to what's going on right now. We're not gonna leave. We're gonna continue to make daily content every day. Shout out to everybody who came on the channel and gave that good alpha over the weekend and also yesterday. So we're gonna continue to bring more and more guests on the channel. We're gonna continue to just be here for you. That's basically what I want to do. I want to, things I've been through, hopefully I can spread them to you, and hopefully we can just make gains together and just figure out this weird space as it is right now together. So it's FD White. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will talk to you in a minute. Peace.